It's kind of nice. Very crews can get out there and clear the highways. And so Maria La Rosa is live right now in Philadelphia. Let's go ahead and simulate on your hair. There's snowflakes on your hat. And I think it's starting financial field and Wells Fargo Center, of course, linked.
There's a lot of snow coming down here in New York.
Better visibility earlier, but now just a few
So I'm here in my hotel room. So in a few hours, it's supposed to come a winter storm called Stella, which is going to be about maybe 2 feet of snow. So being that said, a lot of things going to be paralyzed. So I'm just here chilling. I'm going to go out to see what's happening around the city at nighttime. And I'm going to go grab some snacks. Then during a few hours, it might start snowing. So let me hurry up before that starts. So here I am outside. It's already starting to fall down, a bit of snow. And it looks like it's pretty dead out here. I'm going to go, see what's going on. I think around 1 o'clock in the morning it's going to start snowing, and around 3, 4 in the morning is when it's going to hit like really, really heavy. So yeah, it's pretty weird because it's March and then this blizzard falls in March. It's kind of trying to say like goodbye winter before the spring comes. So pretty interesting. So what do you expect? It's New York City. We get bipolar weather. So things pretty going normal right now. It's a little bit cold. Still quiet out here, not really much of a difference, but we'll see what happens later. So yeah, here I am in the business street of 34th Street, Herald Square, where they got all the shopping district. It's about 11:30 at night. You can still see some activity, people walking around. I don't know if you can see. Rocker. Yeah, not pretty sure they're staying in any hotels around here. Looks like it happened to me. I'm pretty sure tomorrow morning the trains are going to be canceled. Already the airport is shutting down the flights. There's going to be like a heavy, heavy blizzard. But meanwhile, still it's beautiful in the nighttime. You can see my background. Nights. What makes pretty famous of New York City. Right now in Penn Station, as you can see, it's pretty empty. I mean, only a few people around. I don't think nobody want to commute now. All the party went home already. So we'll see what's going to happen tomorrow. So I'm walking back to my hotel room. And like I said, it's pretty quiet outside. Everybody, they're trying to get home or they're staying indoors because it's cold. One thing that I realized in the streets are a lot of big trucks. They're putting salt in the streets. That way, the snow doesn't slide. Or if you're driving, you don't lose control of your vehicle. But the best thing to do when the snowstorm comes is if you don't need to be out, then just don't be out. Stay indoors. Don't drive. Don't take a risk. It could be really dangerous, So yeah, so I'm just heading back to get myself warm. I got my snacks ready. And I'm just gonna chill in the room, watch the news, and Skype with my wife, video chat with my wife, and then I'll take a nap and see what happens tomorrow morning. So this is the next day. This is the result. It's still falling down. It's pretty dead out here. Yeah, it's snowing. I see only one taxi. So I'm gonna walk a little bit around, see what can I find. I'm a little hungry, so I'm gonna see if I could go hunt for some food out here. Walking slowly, checking it out. Here I made it to 6th Avenue. This is one of the main busiest streets in New York City, but you can see right now how it looks like. Pretty dead out here, you know. Just only a couple people and the snow is still falling down. They're probably tourists, Europeans or from any other place in the United States. So yeah, you know, just gotta walk slowly, little by little, gently. So I think now this is not snow, it's like hail that's falling. Yeah, it looks like it's a mix of rain with hail. And it gets mad slippery out here. I think I'm gonna try to see if I can make it to Times Square. See how it looks like when it's snow. So I made it to Times Square. Pretty dead now, you know, only a couple people around. I tell you, it's getting pretty bad here, like windy, the snow, all the hail's running in my eyes. There was a point that I had to walk backwards, so that way it wouldn't, you know, oh, look at that. It wouldn't affect me, it wouldn't hit my face, so I figured I'd walk backwards. So if I go this way, it hits in my face, so yeah. This is me in Times Square, New York. As you can see, all the snow in the background. It's dead. This is the first time ever I'll be here when it's snowing.
Right there.
It's snowing the whole day, and I think it's gonna keep on going. You can see a lot of people that are having fun with the snow. You know, it's part of Mother Nature. You always gotta take advantage and enjoy the life, no matter how the conditions of the weather are. So, yeah. I have to admit, even though I'm not really a big fan of too much blizzard, the snow is beautiful. Yeah, it's fun. I cannot feel my hands since I'm freezing like that. So I found out something pretty interesting here. People are doing like snowmen, so I'm gonna go check it out. Like a line of snowmen on the side. So that's pretty much like Times Square looks like in the snow time. That was the end of my vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please stay tuned for more. Please like, share, subscribe, and peace.